birthday, Daryl.
Happy birthday, Daryl.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daryl.
Surprise! Happy birthday ka, pangalan. I thank God because He made our paths cross. I remember 5 years ago, nag-meet tayo sa camp, and ever since, we've become good friends. Never in my wildest imagination na magkakaroon ako ng guy counterpart ng name ko. Daryl Gale and me, Carol Abigail. So, I'm really thankful na you have been so good to your friends and very thoughtful. Naalala ko nung galing ko pang Butuan one time, you brought us some Margie's, yung mga sweets. And I'm really happy for you that now you're reaching 27 and you have so many blessings, and may you continue to seek God in everything that you do. And sana mas mag-prosper pa yung inyong relationships, yung business mo, at saka yung iyong family, syempre good health din. So, I really thank you for always being there, and even though malayo ka, alam ko, I know you're just a call or a message away, and I'm really thankful na God made our paths cross. I wish you all the best in life, and may you continue to serve God and encourage others, so that others may also get to know Jesus. And I'm really, really proud of you, kapangalan. So, happy birthday!
Hello, Shotty! Kamusta ka na? I wanna wish you a happy birthday. Sana all is well. And sana one day makapasyal din kayo dito kasi mukhang hindi ako makakauwi pa. Siguro after 1 year pa or so. Ayun, I miss all our bondings. Maybe next time, malay mo, dito naman sa Disneyland, dito tayo mamamasyal. Ayun, I pray that God will give you more blessings sa business mo, more happy birthdays to come, and happy family and love life. God bless. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hi Dar, happy 31st birthday. Joke lang. Happy 27th birthday. Me and Darl, we've been friends since grade 1, so that's about 19 to 20 years. And right now, I consider him as one of my bestest and closest friends. So Dar, right now, all I can say is you're really successful, and I hope that you'll have more success in the future for your business and other ventures. And God bless, Dar. And see you soon here in Manila. I know that you'll be getting your sports car here soon, so pasakay muna before you bring it back to Butuan, okay? So that's it, Dar. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi, Dar. First of all, I'd like to thank God for giving you another year of life. Thank you for being such a great and reliable friend. I'm hoping and praying for even more success in your future endeavors, even more prosperity, more growth, not only socially but also spiritually. And I also really hope that your karaoke bar opens up soon. Once again, more success, more blessings, and even more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you this May. See ya.
Hey Dar, I suck at these kind of things, so I'm gonna keep it short. Happy birthday, you're 27 years old, and you're still fat. Have a good one, man.
Ay boss, happy birthday! Salamat sa imong kaayo sa amo, dili lang para sa ako, sa tanan. We just hope na mulambo pa ni imong tindahan, imong negosyo. So, sana pod na dili lang pa ni nga negosyo ang mulambo, labi na sa imong kaming karong bar. Pinuot nga maging success ni siya. Salamat Sir Dar. Happy birthday.
Sir, happy birthday.
Utang.
Salamat sa pagpautang yung sako. Kung nakita ka ron. Salamat kay Sir, happy birthday.
Salamat sa trabaho nga akong nakuhan ka ron. Salamat kay Sir.
Sir, happy birthday. Tarang kayo yung magyatay sa mo. Inaut na magpadayon yapon misa. Kuan na mulambo kamong mulambo imong negosyo. Salamat.
Boss, happy birthday boss. Inaot niya, maguban niya kung permanente sa bike. Tapos may India na yun diri. Tapos, lamboy mong business. Moro to boss, happy birthday.
Sir, happy birthday. Then, salamat sa tanan kaayuhan nimo. Support ka sa amo tanan. Isig ka sa bahante namo. Salamat sir, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Hello! Ako bahala sa bike mo. Lagi malinis yan. Happy birthday! Sir Dar!
Birthday, boss Darren.
Birthday boss.
Ay sir, happy birthday. Salamat sa tanan.
Happy birthday, Mr. M. Happy birthday, Kuya Dar. Salamat sa opportunities. Go.
Happy birthday, boss!
Happy birthday. Sir.
Happy birthday sa'yo ang inuman, sa'yo ang putanan. Happy birthday. Sana'y mo ka na. Birthday boss, Darren.
Happy birthday at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga support na binibigay mo sa akin and sa lahat ng pagmamahal at sa tiwala at thanks for being there. Sana makita na kita soon. Ingat ka dun palagi. God bless. Happy birthday. Love ya.